2025 Lincoln Aviator Black Label makes a bold statement with its elegant design and refined details. Presented by Fiesta Lincoln, its sleek lines are accentuated by the signature illuminated Lincoln grille, and its panoramic sunroof stretches across the roof, adding an expansive feel to the cabin. The Black Label model includes distinctive 22-inch aluminum wheels and offers exclusive color options like chroma caviar and pristine white, giving it a sophisticated and unique road presence. The Aviator offers a powerful yet smooth driving experience thanks to its 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine, producing up to 400 horsepower. With an available plug-in hybrid option, the Grand Touring model provides even more power and efficiency. The standard all-wheel drive system ensures enhanced traction and handling on various road conditions, making every drive exhilarating and confident. Passengers in the rear seats will enjoy first-class comfort in the Aviator Black Label. With available captain's chairs and an optional center console, the second row feels more like a private lounge. Reclining seats, heating, ventilation, and an impressive amount of legroom make long journeys relaxing. For added convenience, the third row seats can fold flat to maximize cargo space without compromising comfort. The Aviator's interior is a blend of luxurious materials and meticulous craftsmanship. Soft leather seats, real wood accents, and premium stitching create a sophisticated ambiance. The vehicle offers customizable ambient lighting and a Revel Ultima 3D audio system that fills the cabin with crystal clear sound. Each Black Label theme, chalet, destination, and flight has been thoughtfully curated to offer distinct interior styling and textures. The 2025 Aviator integrates cutting-edge technology to enhance every aspect of the drive. It features a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a large touchscreen with the Sync 4 system, providing seamless access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. Lincoln's Copilot 360 2.0 suite offers advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, a 360-degree camera view for effortless maneuvering. The Aviator is designed with convenience in mind. It offers a hands-free power lift gate, wireless charging pad, and remote start functionality for added ease. The vehicle's phone as a key technology allows drivers to unlock, start, and drive the vehicle without a traditional key fob, making access and operation seamless. Safety is paramount in the Aviator. With a host of standard and optional safety features, the vehicle is equipped with automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and pedestrian detection to help avoid potential collisions. The available Active Park Assist Plus simplifies parking, while the Evasive Steering Assist provides added control in emergency situations. The 2025 Lincoln Aviator Black Label exemplifies luxury, performance, and innovation. Its sophisticated exterior design, powerful performance, and well-appointed interior make it an ideal choice for those seeking a premium SUV experience. With advanced technology and a suite of safety features, the Aviator Black Label is poised to deliver a luxurious yet practical driving experience for discerning drivers. You can view our selection at fiestalincoln.com, give us a call at 480-428-3237, or visit our showroom today.